How to report a missing or wrong item in Uber Eats. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you guys can report a missing or wrong item in Uber Eats. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. First step, open up your Uber Eats. Make sure you're logged in into your account. Then what you can do is head over to the account section on the bottom right. What you can also do is head over to the order section and then select a specific order. After you choose the order, you can then head over to help. If not, you can simply go to account section, then you'll find the help option right there. Tap on help and there you will see this option right here. Now you can select the relevant category, that is you need a help with your order. So let's tap on help with an order and from here select the order. Then you can simply choose if it's a missing item or incorrect item. Then all you have to do is simply write the report and submit it. And that's basically how you can report a missing or wrong item in Uber Eats. And that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and bye bye. Take care.